Email threats like phishing are responsible for 44% of data breaches, yet many organizations struggle with DMARC due to complex guidance. Implementing DMARC is crucial for securing your email communications and protecting your brand. Start by creating your initial DMARC policy record. This involves setting it to monitoring mode to gather data without affecting email delivery. It's the foundation for understanding your email visibility. Next, audit your email infrastructure. Ensure SPF and DKIM are configured correctly. This step is vital for authenticating legitimate sources and fixing any failures that might arise. Avoid rushing to enforcement without proper monitoring. Ensure a complete inventory of email sources to prevent gaps. Consider advanced strategies like BIMI for brand protection, helping you stand out in the inbox. Common mistakes include ignoring subdomain authentication and incomplete inventories. Address these by conducting thorough audits and explicitly configuring each subdomain used for email. Gradually enforce your DMARC policy to full protection. Start with reporting at a policy of P equals none and progress to reject. This ensures legitimate emails are delivered while blocking fraudulent ones. Establish ongoing monitoring and maintenance. Regularly review reports and update records to adapt to changes. Document processes and set up regular reviews for continuous improvement. We make implementing DMARC easy with Redshift on DMARC. Start your journey to enforcement today with ease. Protect your brand and secure communications. Gain full visibility into your outbound email and benefit from standing out in the inbox with BIMI. Book a demo today and let's safeguard your organization together.